Welcome, in front of me is Soyo M4 Pro Mini PC, and in this video I will show you how copying and pasting features work on this device. So first of all, let me open a new text document in order to show you how to use copying and pasting features on this device. So let's enter some sample text into this text document. And now to copy it, you have to select it and then either right click and select copy, or use a Ctrl+C combination of keys. In order to paste it, use Ctrl+V, or instead just right click and select paste. Now you can also cut the text out, and to do this, select the text and then either right click and select cut, or use Ctrl+X combination of keys, and then if you paste it into the different place, it will first remove the original text and then place it into the different place. Now the additional feature that you have on your computer is the clipboard, and to activate the clipboard you have to press Windows and V buttons simultaneously on your keyboard. So just press Windows V, and okay, let me do it with my keyboard. Then click turn on right here, and then you're gonna have a bunch of clips once you make them on this list. Now let's make some clips. To do them, like, just select the text and copy it. So let's make a couple of different different selections, and then use Windows V again, and you'll see all of the snips that you made, and you'll be able to paste any of them by selecting one of them on this list. And that's basically how clipboard works on your computer. So now that we're done with text, let me show you how it works with files in your file explorer. So let's go to the file explorer. For example, let's go to the videos folder. Here we have one recording in screen recordings folder. Now to copy it, you have to select it and then either click copy right here, or right click this file and select copy, or use Ctrl+C combination of keys. And then to paste it, either click paste option right here, right click paste, or Ctrl+V. This will make a copy of this video with the additional copy at the end of the title to indicate that it's not the original file, since they both are in the same directory, so that you can easily divide the original and the copied versions. Now to cut this file out, you just have to either click this scissors icon right here, or right click and select cut, or just use Ctrl+X combination of keys. And then to paste it, maybe let's go to a different directory, videos, and then let's paste this file right here. And now if we go back to screen recordings folder, there will no longer be any files, since we got the last one from here and replaced it into a different directory. Now let's place it back, and as you can see, it disappeared from the videos folder. So that's how copy and pasting features work on this computer. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.